welcome back to the channel. Welcome. If you are new, I welcome you. This channel is everything DIY business and fashion. Today, I am doing a photo shoot.
Quit playing.
Yes, I am doing a photo shoot. I just wanted to share this experience with you guys and let you know that it's super affordable and it don't have to be expensive to do a photo shoot for your business or for your products. Today I will be doing a photo shoot for my business because I don't have any professional pictures on my website, and I need pictures for my flyer. So I'm gonna give you guys a little breakdown of how it do not have to be expensive. So first of all, let's get in tune with my lashes and my brows. I went to the mall, I got my eyebrows done and tinted, and I did my own makeup. I did my wig. I did my own wig. My sister Juan curled it for me. It's baking right now as we speak. That's why this scarf on. It's baking. All my outfits, I either already had them at home or I bought like little knick-knack stuff to match it. So I may have some pants at home, and then I just went to Discovery. These are 3 stores I went to shop at yesterday. I went to Akira, Discovery, and Charlotte Russe. I went to those 3 stores. So I had stuff at home, and then I just went to those stores to find like a top to match or some pants to match, etc. So that was super like cheap because everybody had like sales. And then my sister best friend Gianni, he's gonna be doing my photo shoot today.
G Shots.
Yes, G Shots. Shout out to G Shots. And he has his studio in a studio in his home, a home-based studio. So he will be taking my pictures for me, you know, trying to support all Black-owned businesses. And like I said, I just wanted to share this journey with you guys. My sister's gonna be taking like little snippets of video showing you guys my different styles. So please make sure you comment and let me know which one is your favorite style, because I have 4 looks that I'm doing. So I'm gonna do 4 looks today. So make sure you comment below and let me know which one is your favorite style. And don't forget to like this video, you guys, okay? So if you have a business and you know, I really recommend that you guys do a photo shoot too. And then if you can't find a photographer in your local area, if you got an iPhone, baby, if you got an iPhone 8 or up, get you a damn studio light from Amazon and do your own damn shoot, okay? So I really think everyone should have like one nice professional picture for you know, their business page. But I will check in with you guys later once I have the first look on. So I'm wearing like a cream top, blush pants. These are the different shoe options. And then I got like a down look, some jeans and a white top, a skirt and a blazer, a shirt and some white pants, and like a fun look, which would be like a which would be like a strapless top with some pants. So I'm going for classy but sexy vibes. And then I will have like my down outfit, which would be like my fun and chill outfit. So yeah, I'm super excited to see these looks come into life. I'm not like crazy like about my makeup and stuff, because again, I don't know how to do makeup and stuff like that well, but you know, this is a perfect example. You just gotta do what you gotta do, and don't depend on nobody, because this was super last minute and I couldn't find nobody last minute. So I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna do everything myself. So I got a really good feeling that everything gonna turn out really nice though. So stay tuned. I'm about to put on the first look. The scarf is off. Again, wig done by me, curls done by my sister, makeup done by me. When you want shit done, you gonna make shit happen, period. Leave all the excuses behind and you make shit happen for your business, okay? But let me know what y'all think about my makeup. I'm so nervous about this, y'all. I don't know if it look good, it look bad, but G-Shot said it look good. This him in the cut right here. My sister said it look good. Hopefully she ain't sending me off like she did with my hat in my last video. Cause y'all know how she do. She won't say nothing. But let me know what y'all think. I can't believe I did my own makeup though, y'all. I don't know nothing about makeup. Like, look, I'm gonna let y'all in on a little secret. So I had some semi-permanent lashes on, and I put some strip lashes on top of them because it's time for me to get a fill in, and they looked a little they was falling off and they look all thin and skimpy. So I just put some strips on top of it because I didn't have time. And then again, my eyebrows are not filled in. I got them tinted. I got them threaded and tinted. So scarf is off. I'm doing like curly hair look. Right now we taking product pictures for the bands.
Maybe we should have somebody here, probably.
And yeah. Look at her in the back, yeah. Who the fuck she thinks she is? Who she thinks she is?
I got the blazer from Discovery, this top from Discovery, and this skirt from Discovery. This whole outfit is less than $40. $40. And of course, we got the heels. So let me know what you think. Got the church steppers on. So this is like business but sexy. So I'm all about you don't have to be naked and do too much to look sexy. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm loving this look. And style by me, styles by Kiyomi. You don't know I put it together, but I put it together. Give me my credit. Give me my credits. Because most of these outfits I made pop. Even though I did not go with you, I still put them together. She was suggesting that she can't even say it right. She suggested. But I know your ass right. Okay, so that's like number one. So let me know in the comments if you like this look. Less than $40 says. Okay, the jacket was $15, the shirt was $3.99, and the skirt was like $12. Period, poo.
Okay, you gotta have a fan, of course, because motherfuckers be hot. Hot as like.
Okay, Mimi.
Y'all see it? Damn, of course your phone always finna fucking die. You gotta do the power pose. Yeah. Both hands. Stand strong, cross the legs. That's how you do that. Mm-hmm. Sure is. Yep. Fierce, but not too fierce. That look like you a creep, but okay. Let's see. Little snippets.
Okay.
And it's
That was
me.
so cute. Okay, I'm just look number 2, you guys. Let me know if you feeling it, what you think. Look number 2. Top is from Burlington for about $10 to $15. These pants are from Charlotte Russe. These was $6. And these shoes are from Burlington as well. And these was $15. These from Jessica Simpson heels that I had caught on sale. And again, another outfit for less than $40. I had the shoes and the shirt in my closet already, and I picked up the pants yesterday from Charlotte Russe. So, oh, the belt. I forgot all about the belt. The belt is from Akira, and this was $15 or $17. So, I thought this was a cute casual look, and I love how this is like making me look smaller, because y'all know my stomach, I'm so insecure about my stomach because my stomach still got a lot of improvement to do. But I really like how this belt with this shirt got me like flowing, and it's like giving me a little shape and not making my stomach look so big. These pants on the other hand, these motherfuckers medium. Like
Water.
my thighs, My thighs are suffocated in these. And look, they got my booty all flat. But we gonna make it do what it do for this shoot, okay? But yeah, so let me know if you guys like look number 2. Okay, I am back with look number 3. Let me know what you guys think. I like this look a lot. I love these blush pants with the iridescent pump. I like these. Simple, but make a statement, you know? So this top is from Burlington. It was like $10. These pants is from Charlotte Russe for $6. And these heels I already had at home. My mom actually gave me these heels. So I had them for a long time. So yes, another affordable look. Period. Me and my sister, we always was brought up to
Discount.
like, it's not even also about like finding stuff on sale all the time, but we were just brought up to like, you don't always have to spend a lot of money to look nice. You know, it's, you don't get me wrong, we like some expensive things, but we always was taught to like budget and like you can still look very nice with affordable, you know, stuff.
Sure can, cause baby, we went thrifting for a mighty long time.
Yeah.
Still do.
Still, yeah, I still thrift, but cause you know sometimes women be wearing like a $2,000, $5,000 whole outfit from head to toe, and they don't even be looking like shit. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, and you can have somebody who whole outfit $100 and all eyes on them. You know what I'm saying? So it's not always about what you got on. It's about how you're wearing it. It's not what you wear, it's how you wear it. But yeah, comment.
It's not what you say, it's how you say it.
So comment, let me know if you guys are feeling look number 3. Let me know. And don't forget to like this video. Share and subscribe, okay? Because we are trying to build our community. We're trying to build our bougie family. So please don't forget to smash that like button. Hey, let's get into with look number 4. What you think, family? Yay, nay, you're feeling look number 4. So, details about this look. This top is from New York & Company. They was closing down in the mall, so I got this shirt for 60% off. This was originally like $60, $70, and I paid like $20 or something like that for it. These pants are from Burlington for about 15-20 bucks, and these just some clear heels. Got them online. I'm feeling this because it kind of camouflage my stomach, you know, everything looking squeezed in. And I love this top. This is like so fun and cute. So let me know, comment below if you're feeling look number 4. Oh, hey, I'm tired, y'all.
Look number 5.
We are at look number 5. We're finally at the last look, you guys. I am tired. I'm hungry. I got taste for some chicken wings with some lemon pepper and mild sauce. That's all.
That's the full out west combination. Lemon pepper, extra lemon pepper.
That's all I want right now. But we're at the final look, you guys. I just got on a simple white beater that I got from Discovery. It's like a one size fit all bodycon like beater. I really like these in the material. And I got these jeans from Akira. They are pricey. I'm not even gonna sit up here and lie to you, but
it's worth it because look at the details. What y'all finna get some jeans like that from?
These jeans was over $100, but they are definitely a statement piece. Oh, I forgot to do my look for y'all. Hold on, let me do my walk. Go back.
Girl, boom. Motherfucker, why like that? Because they went no heels. Had them heels on. It's a different story.
I don't got no heels that my feet barking, okay? I haven't worn heels in so long since after having a baby, so I gotta get used to heels again. But yeah, these are from Akira, but they was buy one get one 50% off. So my second pair of jeans I got for 50% off. So that's the only reason why I really didn't feel bad getting them, because I'm like, okay, I can get basically 2 for the price of 1. But let me know if you like this look. This is more of, I was going for like a cute chill look. I'm gonna do no shoes with this look. So this really would be like a cute chill, you know, like a trendy chill look. So let me know if look number 5 is your favorite look. Like always, I thank you guys so much for tuning in on the channel, supporting me. Please, please, please do not forget to smash that like button for me, because we're trying to grow our community together. And like I said, I did this shoot because I just want you guys to know, when you want to do something, do it. If you got your mind stick to something, please don't let nobody stop you from doing it. When I tell y'all I wanted to cancel this shoot so fucking bad, like I wanted to cancel this shoot because nothing was looking right. I couldn't get none of my outfits to look right. I couldn't find nothing in the mall. I was feeling really subconscious about my stomach, you know, being big and stuff not looking right. I couldn't find nobody to do my hair because I originally wanted to do like a cute bob blunt cut, but I couldn't find nobody to book to do my hair. My sister did my nails and my toes for me. I got my brows tinted. I did my own makeup. You know what I'm saying? It don't cost a lot of money to get shit done for your business and just for yourself, period. You know what I'm saying? And sometimes, you know, I just feel like the devil was real busy, because I was just telling Gianni, the photographer, like I really wanted to tell him, like we just gonna reschedule, but I needed to get this done. You know what I'm saying? I needed to get this done. I needed to because I need photos for my we wrapping up this video. This is the last look, and like always, thank you for joining the channel.